Hey guys, what's up? I'm Ella and welcome to my channel where I make tech related videos. And today I've got a super exciting video because I'm going to be unboxing something that's very exciting. I've been waiting for this for like 2 weeks, so I cannot wait any moment longer. Today I will be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S21 along with a little smart tag that came with it because I did pre-order this, so Samsung sent me this as like a little gift for pre-ordering, I guess. But yeah, this actually came 1 day early. Usually my packages are always delayed, so to get something 1 day early is just like, wow. Okay, so obviously I cannot wait to open this, but first I wanted to talk about this box because this box is so pretty. It is super thin and sleek and it's actually quite light. On the side there is the word Galaxy and it's actually in this like lavender gray pink color. I think the color corresponds to the color of the phone, so that's kind of cool. And then obviously on the front is a huge S with a 21 in gray on the back, and then yeah, that's like pretty much it. And you guys are probably like, we don't care about the box, so let's just open this thing up now. And where are my scissors? Oh, they're over there. There's like not much packaging, there's not a lot of plastic, which is good. There is just this little piece of tape. Maybe I should just use my nails. All right, one side is off, now onto the other side. Okay, finally I got both sides of the tape off and we're about to lift this open. Okay. All right, so on the inside, there is this little cover and oh my goodness, this is my phone. Let's see what else is inside. Okay, actually I already know what's inside because I've watched so many unboxings. There is this USB-C to USB-C cable, which is nice. So glad that it's not like USB-A to USB-C, and I cannot get this off. I'm just struggling so hard today. All right, finally I got it off. So yeah, pretty much all that came in the box is just this cable and this phone. And now we're going to take a closer look at this beautiful phone. Okay, so I did get the Phantom Pink color. I was having a hard time deciding whether I wanted the Phantom Pink or the Phantom Violet. And actually for the longest time, I thought I was gonna get the violet, but at the very last second, I was like, actually, I kind of want the pink. So then I went with the pink. I'm gonna just peel back this plastic covering so I can get a better look. There is a little plastic covering on the camera area as well. Very careful with peeling this off. Finally, the last one on the front of the phone. There we go. Okay, so first impressions, this color is beautiful. It's actually a lot lighter than I thought it would be because I thought it would be like a more like dusty pink, but it's actually a super pretty pale pink. The back is plastic, which I am not used to because my old phone has a glass back. It's really shiny as well, whereas the Samsung S21 is matte and is also plastic. And this is the sound of polygel nails on plastic. Now, as for the weight of this phone, it's actually heavier than I expected it to be because after I found out that it was going to have a plastic back, I thought it was going to be like super light. But honestly, the weight of these two phones is like super similar. And as for the little camera ridge and also the side covering of the phone, it is like this shiny pink color. It's a bit more pale than the back of the phone, but it looks really nice. Like, I really like the color scheme going on here. So yeah, overall, like first impressions, I love. Also, the front of the phone looks super shiny. Wow, like the screen of a new phone is just so clean and so clear. It's amazing. Okay, anyways, so enough about the phone. Let's power it on. Okay, so I just finished setting up my phone and oh wow, okay. Wow, this lock screen is so beautiful. Like it's like animated. Oh my gosh. Wow, it's so mesmerizing. Like I could stare at this all day. Oh my goodness. This is so fast. Like the swiping up animation. Actually, no, there's like basically no animation. It is so fast and smooth. 120 hertz is no joke. I'm just swiping between this app library and just wow, like this is seriously so fast and smooth. The Samsung S21 has an adaptive refresh rate that can go up to 120 hertz. On my old phone, the Huawei P30, this one sits at 60 hertz always. So the adaptive refresh rate that the Samsung S21 has is definitely a huge difference and something that I am really looking forward to experiencing. Okay, and now let's take a look at some of the features that I am most excited about this phone, which are the camera, the adaptive refresh rate, as well as the charging. In this video, I will just do a quick like first impressions of those features, and in a later video when I do a more comprehensive review, I will definitely talk about those features more, along with probably many more other features as well. So if you don't want to miss more upcoming videos about this phone on my channel, then be sure to subscribe to my channel down below. Okay, so first of all, let's just talk about this refresh rate. Now I'm in the Play Store and I'm just like scrolling, and wow, like it is just so smooth. Yeah, everything is just really smooth. Definitely overall, the high refresh rate makes using this phone just feel really smooth. It feels super satisfying and I love it. And I want to add a quick note here. So another reason why the S21 feels so buttery smooth is actually also because of its OLED screen. The pixel response time on an OLED screen is much faster than on a, say, LCD screen. My iPad Pro also has a 120 hertz refresh rate, but because it has an LCD screen, it doesn't feel nearly as buttery smooth as the S21. Unfortunately, I can't really show this difference on camera, but in real life, this difference is definitely apparent. Okay, and now let's just test out the camera. Okay, so it seems like there are a couple of different modes. There's this single take, and then there's a regular photo. There we go. Okay, so the blurring is a bit a little messed up. It's like it's not very clean blur. It's a bit too blurry of a blur. But like the subject of the photo, so the box, is very much in focus. I won't judge the camera right now because I've taken like 3 photos. So after I take a bunch more, then I will tell you the verdict on the camera and how I feel. There's obviously the video option and more. Ooh, okay, so AR Doodle, what is this? Oh my gosh, this is so bad. Okay, this is so bad. Oh my goodness. This is really cute and really fun. I think this feature is super fun with your friends. Oh, apparently there are these like rainbow too. Wait, I want to draw some rainbows. This is so cute. Why are my whiskers so lopsided? Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. This is so much fun, guys. I'm having way too much fun with this AR Doodle. I love it. Okay, let's just see some of the other ones. Ooh, they're super slow-mo. That's going to be really fun. Okay, so there's also this director's view. Oh. This is really cool. Wow, so this is like super close up. You guys can see me recording the audio. And then you guys just see my computer. And then, ooh, this view is nice. Yeah, you can see like my little raggedy setup over here. This is how I film my videos. This is so much fun. Now I'm super excited to play around with the different camera features of this phone.
Let me see it.
I'm filming. Okay, give me back now. Okay, and last but not least, we're gonna test out the charging rate of this phone. Okay, so I just plugged in my phone. The only available socket was behind me, so we're gonna just sit in this position for a bit. So right now, I am using the wall charger that came with my iPad Pro, and then I'm just using the USB-C cable that came with the phone. Okay, so it looks like it's around 2,900, almost 3K. pretty good. But now let's take a look at how fast it'll charge when I connect it to my MacBook Pro charger. Okay, and it seems like my MacBook Pro is giving 2800, almost 2900. So it's like really similar, but it's actually a little bit less than my iPad Pro charger. So that's kind of interesting and unexpected. But yeah, nonetheless, both of these rates are super fast. Okay, so that is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, found it entertaining, found it helpful. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel down below if you want to see more S21 videos and also lots of other fun tech content as well. So yeah, I will be back very soon with more tech related videos. So I hope to see you in another one of my videos. Bye!